project to talk about is Duke Metro. It's a 41-story high-rise that I've been working on the last couple years that's in Charlotte, North Carolina. So it's actually really interesting. I mean, obviously Duke Energy is kind of like our ComEd here in Chicago. And so they have multiple floors within the building that need to be backed up, and they're disaster recovery spaces. So if there is power outages, if there's major issues or power problems in the city, these floors have to still function, have to still work. So they're generator backed, they're UPS backed. Everything from HVAC systems to general power, everything has to be running in case all the power to the city, if the grid fails. Definitely interesting to see, work with the client to figure out their exact needs and kind of design the systems around their requirements. There's been some huge issues on the project. One was a contractor just didn't tighten a pipe in the most important room in the MDF room in the entire building, and they went to go pressure test and it flooded the entire room. And so all the equipment, everything that was installed in there had to be removed and replaced. So that was a couple $100,000 of mistake. And so, obviously they asked us to review it. What happened? Why did this happen? And, we reviewed it and said, hey, this is the problem. And they were like, yep, that was the problem. Originally we were just kind of like the interior designers, but they are really using us more and paying us to do so as well, as to be a bridge between the contractors. We have multiple 5X services included within this. I mean, we did lead, we did technology, we did MEP, we're doing commissioning as well. And so, originally we weren't even doing all those parts of the project, but they've seen us on site, they've seen our work, and so they keep adding and having us do more and more and more. And so it just kind of shows the trust they have in us, I think, and it's going to be just continue building that relationship moving forward. To me personally, I think it just means working with the client, designing buildings, designing spaces that the client feels comfortable with, and that also that, they can be proud of, not from just a looks and design standpoint, but an energy efficiency, WELL or LEED certification, just for everyone to be proud of the space and to show that we're progressing our designs as time unfolds.